Hi, I'm Kim,
And I'm Shawn.
and today we wanted to talk to you about our experience with Goodtimer.
So we used the Goodtimer for approximately 2 weeks with our two children ages 7 and 5 and found it to be a rapidly employable, empowering for both parents and children, a quick order way to augment positive parenting, time management and efficiency, the concept of the future self and self-reward and self-growth. And the token system was very good at showing positive rewards rather than focusing on the negative. It also helped with anger management across all parties and providing a constant reminder in regards to that positive aspects that underlies its foundation. And overall, I would say that it was a great way to tame the feral, so to speak.
And we also liked the fact that the kids were able to interact with it. So they were able to turn it on, and then for bad behavior, then they were responsible for turning it off. And I think that definitely helped hold them accountable, and it was more engaging for them to be able to interact like that with it.